Hi, good morning. How are you?
Good, thank you.
Could you tell us about yourself?
Okay, my name is Yue Dong. I come from Shanghai, China, and I was born in 1995. And my specific major is mechanical engineering. And my main research area is additive manufacturing, which is which is a technology facing rapid development in the recent years. And also, I am interested in artificial intelligence, which is also the future work trend. I So that's the main reason I am studying some programming software like Python, C++, or the MATLAB. These softwares are used to simplify some complex problems through programming, and that's all.
Oh, thank you. The next question is, can you describe a time where you had to work in a diverse team, and what challenges did you face, and how did you overcome them?
Okay, I'd like to talk about an experience that I'm studying in the University of Wollongong. In my entire uni life, I have to attend different groups and all the group members are from different country. So this means we have different cultural background, and we speak different mother language, and also we have different accent. So also we are coming from different major like mechanical, mechatronic, electrical, and material. So also during our discussion, during we are facing the team project, we during the discussion we have different attitudes. Usually, when there doesn't come a result after our discussion, we usually select a team leader, and we raise some ideas for the selection of the team leader. And usually it works, and I think it's a good way.
Okay, thank you. And the next question is, can you please describe a time where you have used your technical competence to solve a problem which
Okay.
resulted in a positive outcome?
Okay, I'd like to talk about an experience that I am doing research on my final thesis, and of course it's a positive outcome. And for the topic of my final thesis is simulation of the additive manufacturing. I have to study the thermal behavior of the additive manufacturing. The software I decided to use is the ANSYS, which is a software adapting finite element analysis through meshing. And in ANSYS, there are many different functions like workbench, APDL, which enables us to get the different results. Okay, and then I'd like to talk about when the time I'm using ANSYS. Function I decide to use is ANSYS workbench. When I'm using this function, I met many bugs because of the function is not very perfect, and this means I have to meet some unreasonable issues which need to overcome. So I think, personally, I think it's a waste of time to do the debug works. So I changed to the ANSYS APDL, which is a programming function, but I think it's rather difficult than Workbench. But I think it's more accurate. So I spent like months to studying programming and coding, and finally I get the result I want through programming and command. Yes, that's my answer.
Okay, thank you. And the last is, do you have any questions for us?
Okay, certainly. I have some question to be prepared for the interview. First question I'd like to talk about is about the future development of your company. I know that the biggest world trend of our career is artificial intelligence. Like I have talked about, I was very interested in artificial intelligence. So I'd like to ask you if you and your company will change the style of the company to AI or big data, mainly focusing on information, or the like other uh, area like the like the automatic industry, that's something like this. That's my first question. And my second question is about the salary. Could you tell me the range of the salary that I was paid, like the minimum salary or the maximum salary? And the third question is about the working hours. Because following the laws, the working hours per week is usually 40 hours. So I'd like to ask you if I worked 50 hours or 60 hours per week. How much money should I get for the extra hours? That's all of my questions. Thank you.
Thank you.